Managing blood sugar doesn't have to feel like rocket science. Whether you're newly diagnosed, supporting a loved one, or just looking to upgrade your current setup, having the right glucose monitor kit can make a big difference. But with lots of options out there, choosing the one that fits your needs can be tough. That's why, in this video, I've rounded up the 6 best glucose monitor kits out right now. From budget-friendly kits, beginner-friendly setups, smart systems that sync with your phone, and even ones that break down your data in a detailed report. You'll find links to the best prices for all the glucose monitor kits mentioned in this video down in the description and top comment. Also, the kits aren't ranked in any exact order, so be sure to watch till the end to find the one that fits your needs best. Number 6 is the AUVON Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you need a meter that does the job without doing damage to your wallet, AUVON is hard to beat. The kit usually lands around the cost of a takeout dinner, yet it arrives with everything you need for weeks of testing. 100 strips, 100 lancets, the lancing device, a logbook, and a padded case. Now, there is one thing where low-cost meters can stumble, and that is accuracy. But OVON's Strip Tech meets a tighter standard than the current ISO rules. Their carbon printing process keeps enzyme layers consistent, so results fall within about 10% of lab values most of the time. That matters when you're adjusting food, medicines, or workouts. The setup is simple. Pop in the single-button battery tab, set the date and time, and you're ready. The meter stores up to 7, 14, and 30-day averages automatically. While it doesn't have Bluetooth, the on-screen memory plus the paper diary cover the basics if you're just tracking patterns. Testing also feels familiar. Load a strip, cock the lancing pen, press against the side of a fingertip, and let the strip sip a tiny drop. Plus, there's a helpful touch that says, "Fill." This icon warns if you didn't quite feed enough blood. That saves throwing out a strip. Replacement supplies stay cheap too. AUVON promises around 13 cents a strip when you restock. So if you're new to daily checks, on a tight budget, or buying for a backup meter, this little kit stretches your dollars while keeping readings respectably tight. Number 5 is the Contour Next One. This is the best for beginners on our list. Starting fingerstick testing can feel overwhelming, but the Contour Next One smooths out the learning curve. The meter powers on the moment you slide in a strip, flashes a big target icon, and its Smart Light LED glows green, yellow, or red to show if you're in range. That instant feedback is great when you're still learning what numbers mean. The other beginner-friendly trick is second chance sampling. If the first drop is too small, you have 60 seconds to add a bit more to the same strip, so there are no wasted supplies. The meter's accuracy backs you up too. Studies show average error under plus or minus 8% compared with a lab, so your doctor can trust the log. As one user says, this glucose monitor is small and easy to read. It's accurate and easily draws the blood into it. You can have a second chance if your drop of blood wasn't enough by adding more. It draws quickly and doesn't require a very large drop. It's more consistent than another monitor I'm using. I would buy it again and will continue to use this one and buy more test strips. It also features Bluetooth pairing, which is almost automatic. Open the free Contour Diabetes app, tap Add Meter, and readings start landing on your phone a few seconds after each test. Inside the app, you'll see color-coded graphs, meal tags, and gentle tips, such as consider a walk when numbers run high. You can export a PDF before appointments instead of handwriting a diary. It comes with everything you need in the pouch: 20 Contour Next strips, the slim micro-let lancing device, and 10 colored lancets so you remember which one is fresh. The lancet depth wheel runs from 1 to 5, while most people start around 3. Overall, the Contour Next One is perfect if you're just getting comfortable with daily checks and want a meter that explains itself without digging through a thick manual. Number 4 is the iHealth Gluco Plus. This is the best smart system on our list. If you live on your phone and prefer health data in the cloud, iHealth's Gluco Plus provides that connected experience. The meter itself is a sleek white rectangle with a bright OLED screen, but the real power shows up once it syncs wirelessly into the Gluco Smart app. That app keeps unlimited readings, spots trends, and lets you share a full-color report with your care team in seconds. Unlike most meters, the Gluco Plus charges over USB-C, so there's no coin battery ticking down. A full charge lasts weeks, and the included carry case has a mesh pocket for the cable, and the lancing device offers 9 depth settings. It needs only 0.7 microliters of blood, and the strip analyzes it in 5 seconds. Also, there are so many helpful alerts that pop up on the meter itself. Arrows and beeps if you're above or below custom targets, so you don't need your phone nearby for every test. Still, when you do open the app, automatic averages, meal markers, and an A1C estimator make the numbers less mysterious. With 100 strips and 100 lancets in the starter box, you're set for roughly 3 months of twice-a-day checks. Refill costs are mid-range, but you're paying for the convenience of a rechargeable, app-driven ecosystem rather than bargain bin supplies. For travelers, the pocket-sized meter, rechargeable battery, and instant cloud backup mean you can leave the logbook at home. Overall, if smart home convenience and automatic data are high on your list, Gluco Plus is a great choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the glucose monitor kits discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. That way, we'll earn commissions while the cost remains the same for you, which is a nice way to support us in making more of these videos. Number 3 is the Keto Mojo GK Plus. This is the best for detailed data on our list. Now, there are a lot of people who want more than a glucose snapshot. They want to see how fasting, exercise, or stress shifts their entire metabolic picture. This glucose kit does that by measuring both glucose and blood ketones in one handheld meter, then crunching the glucose ketone index automatically in its MyMojo Health app. Out of the box, you get 10 glucose strips, 10 ketone strips, 20 lancets, control solutions, and even a lifetime warranty card, because the company knows data lovers are heavy testers. Each strip is individually foil wrapped to stay stable, and the meter auto-detects whether you slid in a glucose or ketone strip, so there's no coding step. The accuracy meets FDA home use standards, but what really sets the GK Plus apart is consistency. The internal circuitry filters out tiny electrical noise that can skew ketone readings, so you can trust trends when you tweak macros or try a new workout plan. The Bluetooth syncs to Android or iOS in one tap, pushing every result into colorful charts. The app links with Apple Health, Chronometer, and Carb Manager, so carb intake, steps, and readings land in the same dashboard. And your coaches, dietitians, or doctors can get real-time access if you flip a switch. Testing takes about 10 seconds. The Lancet pen includes a clear cap for alternate site testing, which is helpful when the fingertip skin needs a break. If you're deep into keto, low carb, or just fascinated by metabolic stats, the GK Plus delivers laboratory-style detail without a lab bill. It's not the cheapest, but for data-driven users, it's the best tool. Number 2 is the CareSense N. This is the best value for money option on our list. CareSense packs an impressive amount of kit for the price. Inside the travel case, you'll find the meter, 100 auto-coded strips, 100 lancets, the lancing device, control solution, and still have room for alcohol pads. That's enough supplies for 3 tests a day over a full month before a refill. The meter needs only 0.5 microliters of blood, that's about half a raindrop, and flashes a 5-second countdown. The results appear on a big, high-contrast screen that's easy to read even in dim bedrooms. It can save up to 250 readings in memory, and you can cycle through 14 and 30-day averages with the up and down arrows. Now, there's no Bluetooth here, and that's part of why the price stays low. If you're fine jotting numbers into a paper log or a quick phone note, you won't miss the app connection. The test strips remain some of the least expensive on the market, yet they're factory-coded, so you never adjust a chip or enter a code. Just insert and test. The lancing device offers adjustable depth. Most people start around 3. Users often comment that the included lancets are thinner than expected at this price, which helps reduce finger soreness. Customer support is another quiet perk. A toll-free number connects you to reps who can walk you through error screens or send replacement parts under warranty. That peace of mind matters if you're buying for a parent or teen who might need a hand. Overall, CareSense N stretches every dollar and gives you reliable readings, a generous starter supply, and low ongoing costs. making it the best value for money option on this list. Number 1 is the AccuCheck Fast Clicks. This is the best overall option on our list. AccuCheck has long been a gold standard in home glucose testing, and the Fast Clicks bundle shows why. First, the Guide Me meter powers on fast, needs a tiny sample, and stores an impressive 720 readings. Bluetooth syncs effortlessly with the My Sugar app and unlocks trend charts, estimated A1C, and even playful challenges that make long-term tracking feel less like homework. What I really like is the Fast Clicks lancing device. Instead of handling loose needles, you pop in a 6-lancet drum. Twist the white slider and a fresh lancet rotates into place. And there are no accidental finger sticks, no sharp exposures, and no plastic caps to chase across the kitchen floor. 11 depth settings let you dial in just enough pressure for a clean, nearly painless poke. The kit bundles 108 lancets and 100 guide test strips, so you're covered for weeks of regular checks. AccuCheck's easy fill strip design wicks blood from almost any angle, which cuts down on misfires when you're in a hurry. If you do misload, the strip port light guides you at night without turning on the room light. As Howard puts it, it was just what I wanted. It makes needles a little better to tolerate. The pain is a lot less when able to adjust the depth. Very good product. The child-resistant battery doors, a rugged hard shell case, and an included control solution round out the safeguards. And because AccuCheck is a major brand, replacement strips and drums are stocked in most pharmacies, which is a big plus if you ever run low while traveling. Overall, the Fast Clicks combo wins in accuracy, speed, painless lancing, and top-tier app support, earning its spot as the most well-rounded system here. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect glucose monitor kit. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.